Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand.
So the next task I want to demonstrate is how to insert a video into a slide. And so we have this new slide that we've created. I want to now move to the slide area, which I can do with F6.
F6, slide area.
And from here, I'm going to press Tab to move to the title.
Title placeholder.
And I'm going to press Enter.
Enter, edit.
And I'm going to insert a video here on virtualizing a control in JAWS. So I'm just going to type virtualize control.
Edit. Virtualize.
And then I'll press insert up arrow to make sure that's what I have here.
Virtualize control.
And I'll press escape to exit the edit area.
Escape, selected. Virtualize control, object level.
And
object placeholder.
I'll tab to the object placeholder and press enter.
Enter, edit.
Now I'm going to insert a video directly from my computer. So I'm going to use a series of keyboard commands here. I'm going to press Alt-N for insert, V for video, and T for device. So I'm going to press Alt-N, November.
Alt-N.
And then I'm going to press V, Victor.
Media toolbar.
And I'm going to press T for insert from device, T as in Tango.
Leaving menus, leaving ribbons, insert video dialog.
All right, here I have a dialog where I can choose the video that I want to insert. I'm going to locate it quickly by pressing Control L to navigate to the address bar.
Align left, address edit combo.
And I'm going to type the folder where this video is located because I happen to know where it is. And I'm going to press Enter.
Camtasia, enter, toolbar all locations split button.
From here, I can press the Tab key to locate the actual folder.
Search edit box. Search box edit. Insert video dialog. Tree view. This PC closed. Shell folder view. Explorer pane. Folder layout pane. Shell folder view. Items view list box. Custom production presets 19.0.
All right, and here we are. I'm in the actual list of folders and files here. And I know this video starts with the word virtualize, so I'm going to press the letter V, Victor, until I find that.
Voice narrations. Virtualize control with voice assistant.mp4.
And this is what I want, so I'll press Enter.
Enter. Virtualize control with voice assistant. Virtualize control with voice assistant video link. Design ideas.
All right, now we have a design dialog where we could choose some ways to design this. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to press Escape.
Escape. Ready. Video.
And I'm here on the video. Now let's talk a little bit about playback. You can choose how or when this video plays when you are navigating through slideshow mode, when you're actually presenting the presentation. So I'm here on the video, and I want to navigate to the playback tab where I can navigate to the combo box or list box that will give me those options. So I'm going to press Alt-J, Juliet.
Alt-J, upper ribbon.
N as in November.
Playback tab.
And U as in uniform.
Video options toolbar. Start combo box pressed. In click sequence.
So here we have a combo box that gives us options in click sequence, and I can down arrow through these options.
New. Automatically button selected.
Automatically.
When clicked on button selected.
Or when clicked on. So if you were navigating through your presentation and you wanted to click on that video or press enter on the link to that video when you got to that slide, you could do that. I want to do it automatically, so I'm going to press down arrow until we get to that option.
In click sequence button selected. Automatically button selected.
And that is now selected, so I'll press enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Virtualize control slide.
And once again, that keyboard command was Alt-J, N, U. So you can press Alt, then press J, then N, then U, and those are separate key presses. And you could do that again to verify that it is actually set to play when you navigate to that slide. All right, so let's test this. I'm going to press Escape to go back to the slide area.
Escape.
And now I'm going to press F5 to go to slideshow mode.
F5. Slide 1 speech and sound schemes.
All right, I'm going to press the space bar to navigate through these, and when we get to the slide with the video, it should automatically start playing.
Slide 5 benefits of using speech and sound schemes. Heading level 1 benefit.
Let's virtualize
Slide 6
a window or control
virtualize.
Using voice assistant. I have a document open in my and the video.
End of slideshow, comma.
The video did start playing, and I pressed the space bar, and it's now telling me we're at the end of the slideshow because that's the last slide. So as you heard there, the video did start playing. I could have also pressed escape, which would have left me in that slide, but stopped the video. So I'm going to press escape now.
Escape. Presentation 1 PowerPoint.
All right, I want to show you one more task, and that is how to manage hyperlinks in a slide. And now there are a couple ways to do that, and I'm going to show you both. And I want to explain, just briefly explain why you would want to use both, or where you might want to use those options. So I'm going to navigate back up here to
Shift F6. Slide Thumbnails tab.
the slide thumbnails tab, and I'm pressing down arrow, and I'm at the bottom of the slide. So we're going to create another slide with Control M, Mike.
Slide 7. Slide 7.
And it said slide 7. So now I'll press F6 to go to the slide area.
F6. Slide area.
I'll press tab to go to the title.
Title placeholder.
And enter.
Enter. Edit.
And let's just name this Freedom Scientific Training.
Escape. Selected. Freedom Scientific Training.
All right. From here, I'm going to press tab.
Object placeholder.
Go to the object placeholder and enter.
Enter. Edit.
All right. So there are two ways, like I said, to place a hyperlink in a slide. You can insert the hyperlink and actually link it to text, or you can just insert it as a URL. Why would you want to do either of those things? If I am presenting to an audience and I want to have a link within a slide that I can just press enter on and maybe go to that page while I am presenting, I might want to link the hyperlink to some text. If I want to have a slide where I'm giving people references and links they can go to, then it's highly recommended to just use the URL, because that way screen reader users will hear the URL and know where that web page is located. And the same thing goes for users who are reading Braille using a Braille display. They can read that URL. So I'm just going to type some text here, and I'm going to show you both ways to do this. So I'm going to type, visit the Freedom Scientific training page for
information. O-R-T. Cheyenne. Period. Enter.
For more information. All right. So I want to link a URL to the word Freedom Scientific Training, to those words, so that it will take us directly to the Freedom Scientific Training page. So I'm going to press up arrow.
Bullet, visit the Freedom Scientific Training page for more information.
And I'm going to navigate to the words Freedom Scientific Training. So I'm going to press Control Home.
Home.
And I'm going to press Control right arrow.
The Freedom.
And here I am on Freedom. Now I can just select this text with Control Shift right arrow.
Selected. Freedom. Selected. Scientific. Selected. Training.
And now I can press Control K, kilo, to bring up the Insert Hyperlink dialog.
Control K, leaving ribbons, insert hyperlink dialog.
And from here, I could paste the hyperlink. If I had copied it, I could paste it here, or I can just type it, which I'm going to do now. All right. Now this dialog has several things in it that we're not going to go over today, but I want to show you one thing here. I'll press the Tab key.
Text to display, edit, Freedom Scientific Training.
And that shows us the text that will be linked to the URL. And incidentally, if you didn't want to select that text before you actually inserted the hyperlink, you could just type it here. But I like to select it first. That's just a great way for me to know and verify that it is correctly selected. So from here, I can press the Enter key.
Enter, selected.
And I can just press enter, and we're here back on the slide, and we can verify this text is actually a link. I'm gonna press up arrow.
Bullet, visit the link Freedom Scientific Training page for more information.
And you heard it say link Freedom Scientific Training. All right, the other way to insert a hyperlink as just the URL
Bullet
is just to insert the hyperlink without linking it to text. And I'm going to do that by pressing Control K.
Control K, insert hyperlink dialog.
And here I'll just type the URL once again.
Freedom Scientific, period. Training.
And I'll press insert up arrow to verify.
Address, edit combo https://freedomscientific.com/training/.
And we don't want to link it to any text, so I'll just press enter.
Enter. Freedom Scientific Training slide.
And from here, we can just use our arrow keys.
Level link bullet https://freedomscientific.com/training/.
And there are hyperlinks. And if we were to go to slideshow mode again and navigate to that slide, they would both be hyperlinks that would take us directly to the Freedom Scientific training page. And that is how you insert a hyperlink into a PowerPoint slide.
Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand. To stay up to date on upcoming webinars and training events, complete the sign-up form at freedomscientific.com/webinars. Thanks again for connecting with us.